Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the W213 head unit supports Apple CarPlay and has the latest firmware. This prevents software mismatches. Next, make sure Bluetooth is on and Siri is enabled on your iPhone so CarPlay can authenticate. If using a wired connection, plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. If wireless, keep the phone in range and awake. Once done, select the CarPlay or phone menu on the Mercedes display to start pairing. Once you've initiated pairing on the head unit, choose Phone or Apple CarPlay in the Command/MBUX menu so the system searches for devices. On your iPhone, pick the Mercedes entry from Bluetooth devices and confirm the PIN shown on both screens. This verifies a secure link. Make sure to tap Allow for CarPlay when the prompt appears on your phone and grant access to contacts and notifications so maps, calls, and messages work. After permissions, CarPlay will load the familiar iPhone interface on the car display. You finish by confirming app icons, maps, phone, messages, and music respond to touch and Siri voice commands. Make sure audio routes through the car speakers. If CarPlay fails to appear, unplug and try a different certified Lightning cable or an alternate USB port. Cables and ports are common culprits. If wireless pairing drops, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone or reboot the head unit and iPhone. As a key tip, reset your iPhone network settings only if simple restarts don't resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.